Hey moneymakers! Today we're about to blow your mind with a side hustle that's so simple you'll wonder why nobody told you about it before. We're talking about digital real estate, but not the kind you're thinking of. We couldn't believe how straightforward it was. No special skills needed. No complicated strategies. Just a few smart moves and you're set. Here's the secret. Domain flipping. Now before you click away, listen to these numbers. $33,000. $26,000. $4,000. These aren't made-up numbers. These are real sales happening right now in the domain market. And the best part? The initial investment can be as low as a few dollars. Let's break down this three-step money machine. Step 1. The buy. We're not talking about crypto or stocks here. We're talking about domain names. Those web addresses everyone needs. Places like GoDaddy and Hostinger sell them for just a few bucks. That's your entire startup cost. Step 2. The listing. This is where the magic happens. GoDaddy's auction feature is like eBay for domain names. List your domain and watch as businesses bid against each other. We've seen domains bought for $10 sell for thousands. Step 3. The profit. Here's why this works. Companies need perfect domain names. They'll pay premium prices for the right one. And the best part? GoDaddy handles all the transaction details. You just watch the money roll in. But why would anyone pay thousands for a domain? Simple. It's digital real estate. Just like prime physical locations, premium domain names are valuable assets. They boost SEO, build brand trust, and create instant credibility. Here's a pro tip. Use domain appraisal tools to spot valuable domains before you buy. It's like having a crystal ball for your investments. The beauty of this hustle? It's truly passive. Buy smart once, list it, and let the market do its thing while you're busy living your life. Ready to try it? Start small. Grab one domain. List it. What's the worst that could happen? You're out a few bucks. But the upside? Well, we might be watching your success story in a few months. Remember, sometimes the simplest ideas are the most profitable. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.